Hey Zion, this is Brian Kaprowski, your PED LN12 instructor. I did receive your email, but I just want to make a video here to maybe give you some more in-depth information into the course. Thanks for letting me know that you have spina bifida. I really appreciate you identifying that, and that will come into play a little bit later in the class with the exercise logs that you will need to complete. But I'll go over that with you here shortly. So this information here, what I need you to do is I'm glad that you sent this to me, but I also need you to put this information, as you can see on my screen here. Let's go back to the class. Okay, here. So if we go to the Start Here tab, and you go to the consent form and accountability statement in the Start Here tab. If you click on that here, sorry, let me do this so you can see it. Okay. You can include all of that information after you acknowledge and give the consent form and accountability. After you acknowledge this form, you can provide all that information here and submit it. So that would be the best way to do that. So I would ask that you would provide me with that information here, okay, because that will give you points on this assignment that is going to be due next Monday. So with the spina bifida, that will come into play later on in the class, and I think it's important that I address this with you now. Okay. So if we go into course contents, there are exercise logs that are going to be due throughout the semester. Okay, and you can see here on the dates when they're due. So the first log will be due on the March 3rd, the next one 17th, and so on. Okay, and when you click on the exercise logs, there's going to be a document. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to download that document, complete it, and then you're going to submit it in the appropriate folders here each week. And you can see they're all listed and dated. So I have the log that's opened up already for you to make things a little quicker. So it's pretty simple, what you're required to do. And then it's going to ask you to do these activities here each week. So you're going to be required to list 2 things under each of these that you performed each week. So I want pain to be your guide. Obviously, if you can't do certain exercises, please indicate those exercises here. If you can't do certain stretches, indicate them here. But try to perform as many at least 2 in each of these categories to receive credit. If you can't do something, if your back flares up, indicate that in here for my own personal reference. Okay, so I just wanted to go over that with you. If there's anything else or any other accommodations that you need in the class, feel free to reach out to me as well. Best of luck to you, Zion, in this class. And again, don't hesitate to contact me anytime. Take care. Bye-bye.